Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DIRECTV Gemini Air Easy Guide. Power on the Gemini Air, pair your remote via Bluetooth, and accept the pairing code shown on screen. Connect the Gemini Air to your Wi-Fi network, then sign in with your DIRECTV credentials to access live TV and streaming apps. Adjust picture settings and parental controls to suit your household, and confirm channel scanning completes before testing playback. Start by learning the remote layout and using the voice button for fast searches and channel changes. Press Guide to browse live schedules and highlight shows to set reminders or recordings. Create a favorites list to simplify navigation and reduce scrolling time during busy evenings. Use the 4 colored buttons for shortcuts and try the rewind and live pause features to catch missed dialogue or rewatch a brief clip without missing the live action. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long binge sessions. I mentioned the socks as a friendly tip that pairs nicely with cozy TV nights using your Gemini Air. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. To record, highlight a program in the guide and choose Record or set a series recording with custom padding. Manage stored recordings in the DVR menu, delete items you no longer need, and adjust series recording rules to keep only recent episodes. Open the Apps menu to access streaming services, sign in with your credentials, and pin favorite apps for quick access. Remember to check app updates for new features and improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.